Hey there, photo lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to view your favorite photos on your iPhone in 2025. With Apple's latest updates, managing your memories has never been easier. Whether you're scrolling through family pics or your best travel shots, this quick guide will get you sorted in no time. First things first, grab your iPhone and unlock it. Open the Photos app. It's that colorful icon with the multicolored flower. Once you're in, you'll see a clean interface with tabs at the bottom. Tap on the Albums tab. That's where all your organized photos live. Now, scroll down or use the search bar to find the Favorites album. In 2025, Apple has made this even smarter with AI suggestions, so if you have a lot of photos, it might highlight your most viewed faves right away. Tap on it, and boom, there they are. You'll see a grid of all the photos you've marked as favorites. But wait, what if you haven't favorited any photos yet? No worries. While you're in the Photos app, go back to your library, select a photo, and tap the heart icon in the bottom corner to add it to favorites. It's that simple. Once you've got some in there, you can swipe through them, zoom in for details, or even share them directly from this view. One cool tip for 2025. If you have an iPhone with the latest Pro models, you can use the enhanced search feature to find favorites by location, date, or even people in the photos, thanks to improved facial recognition. This makes reliving memories feel like magic. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Viewing your favorite photos is now faster and more intuitive than ever. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite photo hack. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.